Now we're going to adjust the second operation seam roll. So you didn't have to sit here and watch me screw the pin in to hold it in place. I went ahead and did that. Just remember, lefty tightens it. Alright, just as on the first operation we advanced machine 4.5 rotation, for the second operation we want to advance machine 9 rotations. That brings the second operation seam roll in its closest relationship to the chuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Turn the machine off. Now we see we got a big gap there, and this is something I'd like to mention. You may not be totally installing new change parts. You may just be making minor adjustments because your quality control guy said, hey, you're getting to the upper or lower end of your seam spec range. If that's the case, don't bother taking the second out to work on the first. You can just back it out of the way and it will not bother you. But anyways, let's tighten it up, get it close. I guess I should use the seam, the 3/16 inch Allen wrench for that. And what I'm doing, just as before, I'm getting the thinner wire, second operation wire, and I want it to be snug, but I don't want it binding. Just enough to roll snugly. And I'm going to say that's where we're supposed to be. Once I've done that, I'll tighten this up, take my 11/16 inch wrench, hold the position with the Allen wrench or T-handle, and tighten it down, locking it in place. Alright. I can also, since I only did a first operation seam on this can, I can turn the machine on to put it back in neutral and use the same can for my first test. It'll go through the whole operation again, but it's not going to change the seam. Remove the can, and let's measure and see what we're supposed to have. I need to be considerably tighter. I want to be between 46 and 42. I'm at 64. So what that means is I need to come back over here, loosen my locking nut,
56,
58. What? Oh, I'm sorry. Tighten that just a hair. Hold it in place, lock it down. Let's take another can. Turn the machine on, let's try one more time. What did I say, 46 to 40?
56 to 58.
56 to 60.
Yes.
That makes sense. Okay. I had 60. 57. 7.5. 58. 58.5. 60. Machine's properly